Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some Bang Bang Shrimp Egg Rolls. If you love Bang Bang Shrimp or Bang Bang Chicken, you will love these egg rolls. Let's get started. So of course we're going to start off with our Bang Bang sauce. What I have here is some mayo, not Miracle Whip, and some sweet chili sauce. I'm also going to add in some honey and a vinegar-based hot sauce. And you're just going to give these things a stir and place them in the fridge. When I tell y'all I love this sauce, it is so good. I love it on Bang Bang Chicken as well. So now we're gonna move on to our shrimp. What I have here is a pound of medium shrimp. I'm gonna season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, and we're just going to give this a stir. Also, this shrimp has been patted dry, and we're going to add on some cornstarch. I didn't think I had enough cornstarch, so I added in another tablespoon. So you're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch until it gets a little thick, like what you see on the screen. And then we're just going to fry this in some vegetable oil. Don't be like me and overcrowd your pan. I could have stopped right there, but I didn't. I just dumped the whole bowl in there. So do what I say and not what I do. And then we're just gonna fry those on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. After your shrimp are done, you're just going to remove them from the heat. I placed them in a bowl on some paper towels. And then now we're going to get started on our egg roll station. So what I have here is some pepper jack cheese. I'm just going to cut it into little pieces, and then we're going to start making our slaw for our egg rolls. You can make this slaw as wet or as dry as you would like. I ended up using this whole bag of shredded cabbage. Also guys, I would recommend that you use a shredded cabbage bag without the carrots. I don't know, I just don't like carrots like that. And yeah, so if you can, find the shredded cabbage with just the cabbage and not the carrots. And then I'm just gonna add that to a bowl, and we're gonna add on our Bang Bang sauce to make a slaw. Once again, it's up to you how wet you want your slaw to be. And then we are going to start assembling our egg rolls. Alright, so for the egg roll assembly, I'm just going to add my slaw, and then on top of that, my pepper jack cheese, and then I'm going to top it with those shrimp that we made. And then I'm not the best egg roll wrapper, y'all, so bear with me. You're just going to roll it up halfway, and then you're going to tuck in the ends, and then you're going to keep rolling. I did go along the edges with some water so that it'll stick, and then see how sloppy that, I mean, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. I did end up making 12 egg rolls with this recipe. All right, so now we're gonna fry them up. What I have here is a cast iron skillet filled halfway with some vegetable oil, and I just fried them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they were golden brown. And then once they were done, I just removed them and added them to a wire rack. You can just add them to some paper towels to drain. So here they are, fresh out the grease. Yes, I did eat one of them, so there aren't 12, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we're just going to take that Bang Bang sauce and drizzle it all over. Y'all, please try this recipe. I love Bang Bang chicken and Bang Bang shrimp. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. Go and dip it, girl. Dip it low. Hey, dip it low. Hey, dip it low.